Hey kiddos, today's your lesson for Wednesday, April 22nd. Don't forget it's Spirit Week. Today is Hat and Jersey Day. You know I'm wearing a cowboy hat, you just can't see it. Make sure if you're participating in Spirit Week, you're sending us pictures so we can see how wonderful you look. All right, today we're going to talk about modeling subtraction of fractions. But remember, we have to make sure we're subtracting like fractions, so we have to have the same denominator. Okay, again, we're going to talk about using pattern blocks to look at subtracting. So look at the yellow hexagon. That is one whole. Then we're going to talk about the fractions to describe this. Well, that's a half. Oops, I'm sorry. Then we had a third and a sixth, so I kind of went too fast. But here's what we're going to do. Use a takeaway model. So we start with 5 triangles. This is showing our hexagon in sixths. So I have 5 sixths. And I'm going to take away 3 of them. What sentence is that? That's 5 sixths minus 3 sixths. They're highlighting those 3 and took them away. If I have 5 sixths and I take away 3 sixths, how many do I have left? 1, 2, 2 sixths. We have 2 triangles left. That's 2 sixths. Okay, now they're showing you the same thing, but we're comparing. So we're doing it again with our 5 sixths. And then we're using 3 triangle blocks to cover these 3. So we're covering 1, 2, and 3. How many of the triangles are not covered? Again, it's 2. So again, 5 sixths minus 3 sixths, and we have 2 sixths remaining. Okay, I'm going to skip this part quickly. This is the same thing that we talked about yesterday. When adding or subtracting, and we're subtracting today, you do not change the denominator. You have to have like denominators. So look up here, we have 7 tenths minus 3 tenths. We're simply going to look at our numerators. We know we can do it because we have the same denominator. Look at their number line. We have it divided into tenths. Model the fraction 7 tenths by shading 7 parts of the line green. Okay. See how they shaded 7 tenths? Perfect. Now, to subtract on a number line, we have to start at our big number and we're taking away, so we're going to the left where it's smaller. Start at 7 tenths and move 3 parts to the left. So I'm going to hop 1, 2, 3. Where do I land? That's right, 4 tenths. So when you record your answer, we have 10 equal parts. That doesn't change. The numerator is what changes. 7 tenths minus 3 tenths. You know, 7 minus 3 is 4. So we have 4 tenths. Okay. When we are finding the difference, of course, we can use pattern blocks. We can draw a picture, but the best thing we're going to use is our brains. So what I want you to do now, your assignment for Wednesday, you're going to your Think Central ebook, just like yesterday. When you're on lesson 16.2, click that life preserver. Complete the lesson. It's the 3rd lesson. It says S43, mixed numbers. This is going to prepare us for next week, so I want you to review mixed numbers. After that, I want you to do one iReady lesson for the week. So sign on your account and do one iReady lesson. They are there and waiting for you. And practice your math facts. Okay, see you tomorrow.